everyone! Today I'm going to make a balsamic dressing with wasabi. Again, no oil and no sugar. As you may know, balsamic vinegar is from Italy and is often used in salad dressings, and wasabi is from Japan and is normally used for sushi. Today, however, I'm going to use this dressing with the soba noodles. In Korea, when we eat soba noodles, we make a dipping sauce which is a radish puree with soy sauce and vinegar. This dressing I'm going to make is a tweak of this sauce. I'm going to use it with soba noodles because I find it a fantastic pairing. Anyway, let's begin. So, balsamic wasabi dressing. I'm going to use balsamic vinegar and wasabi. Outside of Japan, most of wasabis are mainly horseradish. So here it is horseradish and mustard, and wasabi is only just 5%. So if you don't have wasabi, then you can use horseradish or mustard. Okay, I will grate ginger first. Ginger is amazing stuff. Ginger relieves digestive issue, nausea, can relieve pain, and reduce the inflammation. Ginger may reduce the risk of heart disease and make low cholesterol levels. And I tend to use this quite a lot because I have a tummy problem when I eat lots of ing food. Ing food means vegetables has cold character. They are usually ing food. So when I eat lots of ing food, I have problems. So whenever I use any vegetables, use this garlic or the ginger, then it make it neutral. After that food, I don't have any problem. So if you have a digestive problem, then drink ginger tea. That's very good. And ginger rice, they are lovely. So I will grate ginger. I found that ginger and balsamic vinegar goes quite well. So especially this recipe, you need great ginger. When you chop it, it doesn't taste the same. So when I make a green juice, I put ginger as well. Okay, great, it's done. I think this is a bit too much, so I will use half of this. So I'm going to make just one portion for soba noodle. And wasabi. Wasabi is personal choice, so you can use either more or less. This is about a teaspoon, and 3 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. And lime juice. And 1 tablespoon soy sauce. If you like the low salt one, you can use a tamari. And this is a homemade soy sauce, or you can use Colman. Colman is very good brand. So 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I like to use a little bit more wasabi. And pepper. So I'm going to make soba noodle with this dressing. So I will cook noodle now. So I cooked the soba noodle. I'm mixing with this dressing. And I'm adding coriander as well. I can taste of this wasabi. Wow. really spicy. So this noodle soaks all this liquid. Okay, I sliced cucumber, carrot, and some Jerusalem artichoke. So I'm going to add this on top of that and mix and eat it. And then sprinkle some sesame seed on top. So it's all done. Again, it is easy to make. I'm going to taste it. It is slightly sweet from the balsamic vinegar and has a little kick from the wasabi. The ginger and lime combine really well with the balsamic vinegar and wasabi, and yet all retains their individual flavors. Yummy, yummy. You could use this balsamic and wasabi dressing for salad and as an alternative to gravy or creamy sauce for beef steak. Hope you enjoy my recipe and be healthy, and thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.